Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to another tips and tricks video from the GR Sport. This one's just a quick one. I ran through all the functions of the middle screen. I'm now going to show you another little trick, and it's to do with steering assist and lane track assist and how to turn it off totally. If you look on the dash, you'll see lane track assist, steering assist, and it's looking for white lines. I've got mine set on the lowest settings I can possibly set it on, but you can totally turn that system off so it doesn't beep and bong at you when you get close to a white line, and the steering wheel doesn't try and pull you back into line, and it's really easy to do. On the steering wheel, on the right hand side, the very top button to the right hand side has got a picture of the lanes and a little car that looks like it's doing a skid like it is on the dashboard. If you hold that button for about 2 or 3 seconds, it'll turn the system off. I'll show you now. I'm going to push the button. 1, 2. That's totally disarmed lane track assist and steering assist. It will not interfere at all now when you're driving the car. If you've turned it off like I just have now, and you finish your journey, turn the car off, get back in the following day, it automatically defaults back to on. But if you want to turn it back on, it's the same procedure. Push that button, and hold it again for 2 seconds, and LTA steering assist pops back up on the screen, and it's now working again. Thanks once again for watching a tips and tricks video from North Wales Side by Side. If you like these types of videos, please click like below. Please consider subscribing to the channel. And no, I haven't forgotten about the last video when I asked what other cars did you consider before buying your Toyota Hybrid. I'm slowly working my way through the comments. I have had absolutely loads of them. So I can work through the comments, and then I'm going to compile the next video, which is going to compare all the cars that you lot were considering and a few of my own choices, and throw the pros and cons of all the different vehicles together in a video. Thank you for watching another video. Hope you're enjoying the series. Goodbye from the GR Yaris Sport.